Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a packet burst or packet loss on Black Ops 6. So without further ado, let's get started. Depending on where you got the game, if you got the game on Xbox Game Pass, you just need to go to Xbox app, right click on the game, go to manage, then you need to go to files, then press browse, then look for Call of Duty content, and then here it should be exe file, COD exe. If you don't see exe file, you just need to press on the three dots here, and then here you will see a view, not three dots, show, and then just select file name extensions and you will see it, right? And once you have exe file, what you need to do here is to copy the path, and then you need to proceed with other steps. If you got the game on Steam, what you need to do here, if you need to go to Steam or Battle.net, really doesn't matter. Go to properties, install files, browse, and then here you will see exe files somewhere here, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, if you got it on Steam, you just need to go to our Battle.net, accept Windows Defender Firewall, Xbox app. You just need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, then look for Call of Duty here, and make sure these options is selected here. If you don't find Call of Duty, you just need to allow another app, press browse, then paste the path, look for exe file and add it here. I'm using Game Pass, so I don't have permission for that, but if you're using Battle.net or Steam, you can easily add it here, right? And the next step what you need to do here, you just need to, it's for both Game Pass, Steam, and Battle.net as well. You just need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus threat protection settings, manage, go to exclusions, add a remove, then select add an exclusion folder, paste the path, and then select Call of Duty folder here, or just look for Call of Duty here and select the folder. And then the next step what you need to do here, you just need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you just need to write ipconfig /flush DNS, and another command is dash winsock reset, and after that you restart your computer. Then what you need to do here is to need to go to settings, network and internet, then advanced network settings. Then here you need to look for network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using internet cable, you're good to go. After you reset your computer, you don't need to do here nothing. Again, next step, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection. For me is this one. Expand this option, then go to more adapter options, edit, then double click on Internet Protocol version 6 or 4, I'm sorry. Then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Restart your computer and your problem should be fixed if the problem is not on Activision end. And you can look if the service is working good or not on Activision end. Just look for Battle.net 6 servers. Probably it will be the first link here. And then here you should see all platforms and look if it's working or not. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.